Good morning, happy Friday. Down here for my morning chair setup for the last time. And today I have some very special guests with me. Hi! Tugboat and Tim Bodine came out.
We didn't know how pretty it was in the morning.
Yeah, they're loving the morning beach vibes. It is gorgeous out here. We've almost walked down to that pier. We've been walking so long.
Let's turn it.
Okay, let's turn around.
There you go.
And now Mimi's here somewhere. She helped us set up too this morning. We had a group of 4. Fastest setup yet.
Can't believe it's our last day.
Yep, last day, best day.
Yep.
I think we're gonna have beautiful weather again. We've gotten really lucky with the weather.
Yes, we have. Look how pretty it is.
Gorgeous. Let y'all enjoy the sound of the waves. I slept like a baby last night. There's our shadows. Oh, look, you guys holding hands, so cute. They love each other.
We hold each other up.
It's for physical support as well as moral
No,
support.
we've always been hand holders. I don't know. We always have been.
Yeah.
Some people aren't, but we are. I figure if I'm going down, I'm taking him with me.
That's funny. She's taking a solo walk. She's sick of us.
I love these. These are my favorite little houses. All the different colors.
Yeah, that's real cute.
Really cute.
There's
Very,
the police.
very cute.
2 police officers having a chat.
Sure is different down here in the morning than it is at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
You can't even walk to the beaches.
Still got some wide open beach right now. This morning for breakfast, it's eat everything day. Eat all the eggs. Make the rest of the French toast. The rest of the bacon. The rest of the sausage. You gotta eat what's in the fridge.
Having a smorgasbord.
Yep.
That dog.
I know. That dog's not really loving the waves. She's trying to get the dog used to it, but I don't think it's working yet. Poor little dog. Oh, it walked towards it. Oh,
Whoops, backing up.
he's like, Mom, I don't know if I can swim.
Look, she's throwing
Get me out of here.
around 50 feet.
Aw. He keeps looking up at her like, please. Can we just go back to dry land? His little paws are sinking. He doesn't know what is happening. Mm-hmm. Poor little guy. He's cute though. You're so cute. You know, Delilah didn't really love the beach either when we first brought her.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she was afraid of the waves. She would play in the tide pools. She loved the tide pools because they didn't move.
Yeah.
She was a little afraid of the waves.
She likes it now.
Now she's a big girl. She likes to play in the water, run on the beach. I miss her. I'll see her tomorrow. We're gonna get out of here pretty early, I think, tomorrow. Alright, We're gonna head up soon. All the chairs are set up. My brother's gonna set up the umbrellas when he gets down here. And we're gonna have us some breakfast.